Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy channel. Today we are going to learn about this video demonstrate how to apply conditional formatting data bars that show the measurement of actual versus target. The same technique can be used to show the percentage complete progress bars. Let's begin. You can see here I applied some formula here that will reflect the percentage. That up to the percentage it will automatically give you that if it is 100% or more it will give you the green, if it is less than 100% it will give you the percent red, and if it is negative it will give you the orange color. So how I did this, I will show you that one. First of all, I am going to remove this formatting, just clearing, deleting all the values. Okay, now it's not there anything. I took this percentage, total expenditure versus income, that how it is. I divided total expenditure versus total income and it is giving me the percentage. Now I will highlight all my data and I will go to the conditional formatting, new rule, and here I will choose here this option data bars, and I will select here the percentage or number, here 0 and here number 1, and I will give the color here red. Okay, and you can see it here wherever the percentage is 0 to 1 it is showing 100%. Now I want to apply the green color. I will tell you how to do that one. Okay, I highlighted my data. I'll go to the conditional formatting and I will go to new rule and I will go to new format only cells that contains. Here I will use the formula greater than or equals to 1. What will be the color? I will choose here green color and font will remain same as it is. Okay. Okay, but it is not. How? I will tell you. Go to manage color and just click here stop if true and apply. You can see it here. Now if it is 1% means 100%, it will give you the green color, and if it is less than 100 it will give you the red. But what about this one where it is negative? Okay, just highlight your data, conditional formatting, go to new rule and come here in this area and less than 0. Format the color, fill orange color. Okay, okay, and apply. Now you can see wherever the value is less than 0 it is orange, and wherever it is less than 100% will give you this color. So it's very easy method, you can try it and this will help you a lot while creating your data sheets. Thank you.